So in this chapter, we're gonna discuss about something about the male planets, female planets, a small more table about the zodiac signs, and some more exaltation and debilitation about the planets. So first, we'll see what planets are male, female. You should note this down. Now here, what are male planets? Male planets are Sun, Mars, and Jupiter. These are the male quality planets. In the female planets, we have Moon, we have Venus, and Saturn. Unit is Mercury, and shadow planets are Rahu and Ketu. Male planets Sun, Mars, and Jupiter. Why they are male planets? Because male is in the society. Male is a strong character. Male is heart. Male has a strength. So Sun is heart, Mars is heart, Jupiter is also heart, and those are big planets. That's why they are considered as male planets. Female planets Moon, Venus, and Saturn. Saturn is also a feminine planet. Moon, why? Because Moon is a healer. Moon is a watery sign, is a mother sign. Venus is a representative of, is a significator of perfumes, artistic things, beautiful clothing, and those are all related to females. Saturn is also an old female. Okay, Unit is not a male, not a female, and there's only one planet, Mercury. So Mercury is a kid. Kid is like if you offer a kid a lollipop or a candy, the kid will come to you. And if some other person is saying, hey, I'm going to give you a candy, then the kid will go over there. So that's what the Mercury is. Mercury goes where the side is stronger. So you will understand later on that how the Mercury works and how it represents its unique nature. Shadow planets are Rahu and Ketu. They don't own a sign, they don't have any own house, but they are shadow planets. They always stay with these 7 planets, but they have very, very much strong effect in the birth chart. You will see when we start doing the birth charts, aspects, and placements of these planets, then you will know that how Rahu and Ketu affect our lives. So you gotta note this down. This is very important for you. This classification is very important. Okay, and also when the male planets sit in a certain house, gives person more male qualities. Same thing with the female planets. When they sit on those certain houses, they give more feminine qualities in that area of the life. Unit, as I told you right now, and shadow planets. The next thing I'm going to discuss with you is a small table on the zodiac signs, which is very, very important again, which you will always need. That is, besides the fiery nature, watery nature, airy nature, and earthy nature of the signs, there are 3 more natures of the signs, which is called as M, F, and D. What is this MFD? MFD. M is movable. F is fixed. D is dual. Movable, fixed, and dual signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. Okay, so look at this chart. You will know that's a very basic chart. That movable signs, that means those signs which travel faster, those persons which have those signs in their ascendant or that for certain house are more movable in nature. Okay, their nature is more like moving. Could say they jump on the different things frequently. They grow faster in life. Zodiac sign number 1, number 4, number 7, number 10. So from your table you will know that what is zodiac sign number 1, which is zodiac sign number 4. Like first zodiac sign is Aries, the fourth is Cancer, seventh is Libra, and 10th is Capricorn. Fixed signs. Fixed signs means those persons which have a fixed nature. They're like more orthodox, which likes to work at their own pace, little slowly but quietly and neatly. Second, fifth, eighth, and 11th signs. Second is Taurus, fifth is Leo, eighth is Scorpio, 11th is Aquarius sign. Same thing with the dual nature. Now this is a little different thing. Dual. What is dual? Dual is sometimes they start moving, sometimes they stop. Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. Now Pisces is what? So you see sometimes fish standing in the water and then suddenly starts moving. That's dual sign. Sometimes the fish comes on the surface to breathe in the air. It breathes also in the water with the gills and also breathes outside the water. That's a dual nature. Gemini, you see the two, if you have seen the sign of the Gemini in the newspaper in some magazines, there are two persons sitting from back to back. Those are the two different natures of the person. I mean, they can immediately switch to the different nature depending on the position, depending on what's the situation going on. Virgo, same thing. That's also a Gemini sign. And Sagittarius, dual nature. So this is the basic chart of the natures. Okay, again, it might be not easy for you to understand about the dual things. Don't get impatient until you get the real birth charts in your hand to look into. Then you will really know what the dual signs are. We will be discussing the birth charts of the people which you know or which are being a famous personality. So this way it will be easier for you to understand what are the dual natures, what are the fixed natures. Okay. Another video, another concept on the planets I'll be discussing you with is the exaltation and debilitation of the planets. What is exaltation? Exaltation, let's make the table first. First is Mars. I'm writing Mars here. EX means exalted and DEB means debiliated. Exalted means the strongest position. So Mars is strongest in the 10th zodiac sign. Okay. And debiliated in the 4th zodiac sign. Mercury is exalted in 6th zodiac sign and debiliated in 12th zodiac sign. Venus is exalted in 12th zodiac sign and debiliated in 6th zodiac sign. Moon is exalted in 2nd zodiac sign and debiliated in 8th zodiac sign. Sun is exalted in first zodiac sign and debilitated in the seventh zodiac sign. Jupiter. Jupiter is exalted in the fourth zodiac sign and debilitated in the 10th zodiac sign. Saturn. Saturn is exalted in seventh zodiac sign and debilitated in the first zodiac sign. Now, what are those? The 10th zodiac sign is Capricorn. Fourth zodiac sign is Moon. Cancer. Okay. The sixth zodiac sign is Virgo. 12th zodiac sign is Pisces. Here is also Pisces. Virgo. I'm just writing down the names here, just easy for you to understand what number zodiac signs represents what zodiac sign. This 2 is Taurus. 8 is Scorpio. The first zodiac sign is Aries. Seventh zodiac sign is Libra. Fourth zodiac sign is again Cancer. 10th zodiac sign is again Capricorn. 7th is Libra again here. And the first is Aries again here. Now you gotta write down this table also. Save it at some place, make a note on it. And I'll tell you what does exaltation means. Exaltation means when a planet enters in this sign, like Mars enters in the Capricorn in first 10 degrees or certain degrees which are different for different planets, it becomes strongest. It has its most power. Wherever it will aspect, it will give the full strong aspect. Mercury comes in Virgo, it becomes exalted. So the qualities of that planet becomes high. And in whatever the house it is sitting, say Mercury is exalted in Virgo in the sixth sign. If it comes in the Lagna, in the first house of the person, makes a person very, very good communicative, very, very good ideaful person, a good writer, a good astrologer. Just exaltation means it gives more positive qualities, whereas a debilitation means that planet loses its qualities in that sign, or we can say that planet is not happy in that sign. Okay, like Venus is exalted in Pisces, so that person will be more like to have watching movies, theater, drama, buying clothes, perfumes, beautiful face, beautiful wife. But if the Venus is debilitated, he might not have a happy married life, or not getting married in the right age. Okay, I might have some other sexual problems related to the Venus. So this is all because of the debilitated Venus. So just keep a general idea in the mind that debilation means the planet loses its power, is not strong enough to show the results, is not happy in that house. Whereas exaltation means the planet is very, very happy in its own sign, whichever it likes, okay, and gives the more positive results. So you gotta note this down. And if you have any questions, email me or just ask me, okay.